I am Baron Osuna and I work for Louis Vuitton. It's been a year and I direct this project, which is the very first time that we produce such an experiment, real life experiment. It's called Louis Vuitton Accessories Design Graduate Initiative. We call it LVADGI. It's a way for us to actually scout and recruit new talents. We are looking forward to recruit up to 5 talents for our design teams in leather goods and accessories, and 5 talents that will complement existing teams. So 5 winners, but more than winners, they are complementary talents. And this is a very interesting opportunity also for us to discover them, discover their creativity, and give them the opportunity to know better the brand and also to start their career. It did start actually 2 years ago through a conversation between Johnny Coca, who is our creative director for women's fashion leather goods and accessories, and Delphine Arnaud, who was our vice president at that time. This conversation started as a reflection about creativity and young talents and how to recruit young talents directly from school in order to give them the opportunity to start their career for the ones that are actually ready to work in such an environment and to give them an opportunity, an opening. From Istituto Marangoni Fear and students, I expect diversity, creativity, passion. We want to be surprised. I think more than anything is how to express creativity, how to bring something fresh and new. And we want to learn and hear what this new generation has to say about design, especially in leather goods and accessories, because this is a massive business, a really important business. There are more opportunities actually in leather goods and accessories than in ready-to-wear. Much more job openings and quite extraordinary careers to develop. And it's true that we know more about the creative directors. We communicate a lot about the artigiani, the craftsmen and craftwomen. But leather goods and accessories design is very much a savoir-faire. It is very complex, and it's between product design, industrial design, and fashion. So you have to understand the construction of a bag, all the elements that come into production for industrialization, but also kind of jewelry, because hardware is also a very important part of the identity of a bag. And everything that actually comes into sustainability, from material research and upcycling to supply chain and repairability. So repairability and durability are actually 2 elements that are very core and fundamental in design at Louis Vuitton. The intelligence of the designer is absolutely key in that regard. And when I say intelligence, it's how to combine such diverse elements as construction, materials, embellishment, hardware, and probably the other qualities is actually passion, because Vuitton is also a brand that has extraordinary means for unparalleled means for designer. Curiosity, passion seems to be words that are very often used to describe like the main qualities, but this is very much what sparks actually the energy and the flow in a creative team.